Don't panic, you're just in time to get your Black Friday promotions in order. You're not too late to design a few promotions, make amazing Black Friday banners, and get them out there. Insta Stories are the best modern-day visual storytelling platform for any brand. That's right, stories are a growing trend. Instagram story templates are pre-made designs you can fully customize by changing graphics, fonts, colors, and adding your own images. By using templates, you can create a cohesive image for your brand. Get your customers constantly coming back to your site to check on your hourly deals. You can use a Black Friday banner maker to make it easier for you to present your Black Friday promotions. Create the same banner in multiple sizes and download them all in one click. Simply choose your template, make your changes, and see these reflected across all the sizes available. Flyers are a popular asset used to promote anything, especially when you're in a hurry. Have fun and also take advantage of the flyer mockups, which provide a real preview of how the real item would look like. Besides, it is a beautiful way to promote your sales. Placeit owns a large library of flyer templates for you to create. Just select yours, add your information, and personalize it. And not only that, create so much more. If you are selling apparel, you can also take advantage of Placeit mockups to promote your merch fast and easy. Create some awesome assets to promote your brand effectively for the Black Friday shopping season. Make cool Black Friday sale banners, Black Friday flyers, and so much more. With Placeit's online design tool, you can make as many ads as you want to.